Are you dreaming of adding a splash of fun to your backyard? Look no further. Juan Pools brings you the Pacific, a stunning rectangular pool designed for endless summer enjoyment. With its spacious design and a deep end of 7 feet 11 inches, the Pacific is perfect for everyone looking to add a bit of excitement to their summer days. Whether it's installing a thrilling water slide or reliving childhood joys with cannonballs, the Pacific has got you covered. Entertaining is a breeze with the Pacific. Its generous size provides ample space for family and friends to gather and make unforgettable memories. Picture this: a wide set of curved steps in the shallow end, the ideal spot for lounging, sipping on cocktails, engaging in lively conversations, or enjoying some fun shallow end pool games. Thinking about hosting a pool party? The Pacific's shallow end steps and bench can comfortably accommodate 4 to 6 swimmers, making it the perfect gathering spot for everyone to cool off and relax under the sun. And for our friends living in the Sunbelt, you know how essential a refreshing dip is during those scorching summer heat waves. Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.